Do you want to travel? Do you want to get free hotels, free dining, and free airline tickets? If so, stay tuned. Hello everybody, this is Sanaz Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be talking about credit card churning and how to use this simple method to get $750 absolutely free that you can use for travel, dining, airline tickets, hotels, whatever you like. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, did you do it? Did you smash that like button? Alright, good. So let's get started. You might have heard a lot of YouTubers talking about getting free travel, getting free hotel rooms, free dining, all kinds of stuff with their credit cards. But none of them actually go into detail and show you how you can do it yourself. So I decided to create 3 simple videos to show you exactly how it's done. This is video number 1. I'll have the other 2 videos in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So you want to get $750 worth of free travel, free dining, hotel rooms, airline tickets, whatever you like. The best way to do it is with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. With this card, they offer a bonus of $750, but they do have some conditions you have to meet in order to get this money. So you may ask yourself, what is credit card churning and how do I do it? What is required? First thing, credit card churning is when a person signs up for a credit card in order to get the bonus and then later on cancels the credit card and does the same process with another credit card. It is pretty much a way of getting bonuses and free money, free travel just by using the credit card. In this example, we're going to be using the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card because at this moment it is one of the best credit cards that offers one of the best bonuses when it comes to travel. They give you a credit of $750 after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. So in this video, I'll be applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, showing you exactly how it's done. But before we get into the application, we gotta cover some basics. Can you do credit card churning? Absolutely you can. All you need is a decent credit score and some time and you'll be able to get all these rewards that these credit cards offer. And you might ask yourself, why are they giving out free money? Simple, it is competition. Same way that Apple and Samsung, they compete to get you to be their customer, credit cards do the same. From Visa, MasterCard, Amex, they all compete to get your business. And what's the best way to get somebody's business? Either give them something for free or give them money. And in this case, they're giving us $750 worth of free travel. So how do the credit cards profit when they offer such big bonuses? Simple. These credit cards, they entice people to sign up and use their cards and then they give them the bonus. According to some studies, 60% of all the credit card bonuses are never even claimed. And a very small percentage of the people that apply for these cards actually do credit card churning. The other people have never even heard of credit card churning. The credit cards do not care about a couple people like us that use these credit cards and bonuses to our advantage. They care about the masses. The masses flood, they apply to these credit cards, use the bonus, and then keep the credit cards for a very long time. They rack up their balance and end up paying a ton of money in interest and fees. Thus, it offsets the couple people like us that get the free money and then get rid of the card. So who can use credit card churning? Credit card churning can be done by anybody. All you have to do is have a decent credit score. Some cards offer $100 bonuses, $200 bonuses, but these bigger credit cards that offer bigger bonuses like $600, $1,000, $1,200, they do require a decent credit score. So if you have a decent credit score, you'll be able to go after these bigger bonuses. But if you're still building your credit, you can target these small bonuses of $100 to $300. And a lot of people complain. They say, oh, credit card churning decreases your credit score. You shouldn't be doing it. You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that. But the way I look at it, your credit score is a tool. It is meant to be used for your benefit. There's no point in having a 750 credit score if you're not going to use it. It is pointless to have it sitting there doing you nothing. This way you utilize your credit score, you get free travel, you get to see the world, you get free money, free dining, free hotel rooms just because of your credit score. Use it. Do not let it just sit there. It's like having a car. You pay insurance on it, you pay taxes, registration, all that stuff. That car is meant to be used. It is meant to be driven, enjoyed. It is not meant to be sitting there and you just dumping money into it. Now that we talked about credit card churning a little bit, we're going to switch over to the laptop screen and we're going to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. So let's get to it. Switch over to the laptop screen right now. Alright, here we are on the website. It shows the credit card, and right here is the 60,000 bonus points that we're going to be getting for signing up for this credit card. And that equals to $750 that we're going to be using to go on a nice little vacation. And here are the rewards that we're going to get with this credit card. 2 points on travel, airline tickets, hotel, taxis, trains, whatever you use. Also 2 points on dining worldwide, and then 1 point on all other purchases. Then also here are some travel benefits. Now we're going to apply for the Sapphire Preferred Card and see what happens. I did check my credit score, and on Credit Karma it's 760. Application looks real simple. Alright, I'm going to fill this application out and we're going to continue this video. Alright, I have filled out the application and now we're going to scroll down. This is the e-sign disclosure. Here's the annual percentage rate, your interest, 18.24% to 25.24%. Normally, I do not care about this whatsoever because I never pay any interest on any of the credit cards that I have. I pay everything in full at the end of the month. Sometimes I don't even wait till the end of the month. I just pay it off completely. But here are the fees. Balance transfer, cash advances, foreign transaction is none, which is awesome. Annual fee is $95. Penalty fees, late payment $39, return payment $39, return check none. Yeah, alright. Now we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna press that we have read the terms and conditions, and we're gonna press submit and see what happens. Will we get the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card or will we be declined? We're about to find out. Let's do it. Submit. Verifying your information. Oh man, we're about to see 760 credit score. We're going to see if we get this credit card or not. Awesome. We did it. Awesome. We got approved. All right, let's look at this over. Sanad, you're approved. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. You have been approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. You will receive your card, paper copy of your agreement to 7 to 10 business days. Your credit line is $13,700. Your interest rate is 18.24 variable. All right. So there you go, guys. We just got approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. We did kind of get a low limit of only $13,700, but it will do for now. In about 90 days, we're going to call them up and we're going to see if we can bring it up to about 25,000, maybe 30,000. Just depends. But normally when you apply for a credit card, they hit you with a low amount. But after 90 days, you can call them up and ask for a rate increase. And most of the time they give you like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 extra on your credit line increase. But so far we're approved for $13,700, which is awesome. And then here's some more information. Paperless. Of course, we're going to go paperless. We're going to save the environment. Stay connected. Of course, we're going to have all that as well. Review the terms. And let's make this happen. All right. Click, click. We read this, of course. Wink. Nobody reads this crap, but all right. We're going to press agree. You're all set. So now we simply wait for the card to be sent. It says 7 to 10 business days, but Chase is real quick. I have other credit cards with them, and normally on the 5th day is when I get the credit card. Alright, now that we have gotten approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, our limit is $13,700, which is not bad at all. I was hoping for a little bit more, but that will do for this tutorial. So step 1 is out of the way. We have applied for the credit card and we have gotten approved. Once the credit card comes in the mail in about 7 to 10 business days, we're going to open it up, do a quick review, and then we're going to start spending the $4,000 so we can get the $750 credit. One thing that I would like to mention is do not spend the money that you will not ordinarily spend. For example, on this card there's a $4,000 limit that you have to spend in the next 3 months, which is very doable. Let's say you spend an average of $400 every month. Do not spend an extra couple thousand every month just to get this bonus. Then you're defeating the purpose of credit card churning. Your goal is to simply use this credit card to buy and pay for stuff that you are already paying for with other credit cards or with cash or whatever. Do not get the credit card and just buy some random crap just to get the bonus. Now to conclude the video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out all the other links in the description box below with the other videos on credit card churning and how we're going to go from step 1 to step 3 executing a credit card churn. I think that's a word, but I have no idea. Alright guys, there you go the first video, and see you in the next one. Peace out.